Good afternoon. My name is Dave Nordentoft with Leister Technologies. Very excited to be here at the IRE 2024 to introduce our brand new Varimat platform. We've had this technology out for a long time, but we thought we could still do much better. So we developed a brand new welding machine. We just launched it 2 weeks ago to improve welding pressure, improve reliability. All right, a couple of new features that I wanted to point out on the machine. So what we've been able to do is increase the welding pressure by relocating the way the weights are set. We've now moved the weights further back and now have increased welding pressure over the pressure wheel where we need it. We've increased welding pressure now by over 13 pounds, much greater performance. We've changed and improved our trigger lock pin system, much more reliable than what we had on the previous model. We've added this brand new telescoping axle across here. So now this creates a much more wider stance, a more balanced machine, tracks better and improved. We've also improved our nozzle and our blower to be more efficient. And we added an LED work light to better illuminate the work surface, and also improve the air dam system to eliminate and reduce the amount of wrinkling. So a lot of little improvements to it. And last but not least, you'll see a brand new carriage case for it, telescoping handle, much easier to transport around the roof, very efficient.